Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 students. Dear students, our today's topic, draw, label and color the picture and marks distribution discussion. Our today's lecture number is 19. My dear students, let's start our class. Today, this is your revision class, my dear students. This is your revision class. Draw, label and color the picture. The topic is components of soil. My dear students, I am repeating. You have to write the topic name properly. Otherwise, a mark will be deducted. Okay, so at first write the topic name, components of soil. Then you have to draw this the pot or water glass. This is then you have to color and label this picture. Okay, you have to color and label the picture. So first part is dead remains of plants and animals. This is the part of layer of dead remains of plants and animals, and do this the color, it will be green color. Okay, and no need to write the color name in your copy. Okay, no need to write the color name in your copy, only just label the color. Draw, label and color the picture. No need to write the color name. It will be green color, dead remains of plants and animals. This layer will be green color. Then the layer is water, and this layer will be blue color. Then it will be this layer is clay, and it will be light brown color. Then this layer is silt. Okay, silt, and it will be deep brown color, and the lower layer is sand, and it will be black color. My dear students, I am repeating at first. This layer, first layer is dead remains of plants and animals, then water, then clay, then silt, and then sand. Okay, so everyone, I hope all of you have understood this topic. Draw, label and color the picture properly. Okay, practice properly at home. Now I will discuss about marks distribution of your half yearly examination for elementary science. Okay, for elementary science, your marks distribution will be at first, number 1, you have to answer fill in the blanks, 10 fill in the blanks, and each fill in the blanks carries 1 marks. That means fill in the blanks total marks will be 10 marks. Then you have to answer true false from your chapter. You have to answer true false, and you have to answer 5 true false, and each true false carries number 1. So total number is 5. Then you have to answer matching, and matching the left side matching will be 5, and the right side also will be 5. So the matching will be 10 marks. Okay, number 4, then you have to answer one word answer. You have to write 10 one word answer, and each one word answer carries 1 mark. So the total number will be 10. Then number 5, word meaning. You have to answer word meaning, 4 word meaning from out of 6. You have to answer 4 word meaning, and that will be total marks will be 8. Then you have to answer short note. Okay, this short note, I think you already have learned 2 short note, the air pollution and soil and its classification. And so you have to answer this short note, and it will be 10 marks. Number 7, you have to answer short question answer. Here, so 4 short question answer, and each short question answer carries 2.5 marks. Then it will the total marks will be 10. So then next number is 8 number. In you have to answer broad question answer. Broad question answer, you have to answer 4 broad question answer, and each of the broad question answer carries 5 marks. So the total marks will be 20. Then number 9, it will be draw, label and color the picture, and the marks will be 7. Then assignment, you have all of you have, I think all of you have submitted this assignment, and it will be 8 marks. Number 11, neat and cleanliness, this is 2 marks. So the total marks will be 100. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Practice properly at home, take preparation for half yearly examination. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.